Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to be learning how to use the prefix un. This is a level 1 skill. What is a prefix? A prefix is a letter or group of letters that is added to the start of the word to make a new word. Prefixes change the meaning of the word when they are added. We are going to learn about using the prefix un. Let's look at some examples. Untidy, unhappy, and unwell. All of these words have something that is the same about them. They all begin with the prefix un. But what do they mean? Untidy means not tidy, unhappy means not happy, and unwell means not well. Un usually means not, and it changes the word to the opposite meaning. When we add the prefix un, the root word, which is the word we start with, does not change. Using the prefix un can also reverse or undo an action. For example, if we take the word pack and add the prefix un, we get a new word, unpack. Unpack means to remove or take something out of a bag or suitcase. I had to unpack my bag when I got to school. Here is another example. When you add the prefix un to the word zip, we get a new word, unzip. Unzip means to unfasten something. Jack had to unzip his coat. Here is a summary of what we have been learning. The prefix un means not, and it can give a word the opposite meaning. The prefix un can also reverse or undo an action. When you add the prefix un to a word, the root word does not change.